Anybody ever soldered on a ladder on a dump truck before? Because I'm open to tips right now. I got tape. Electrical tape. Don't use Scotch tape. Okay. Just put it in my pocket. See, I have to get on the inside so I can bend over this way. Oh, please tell me. Oh, I do. It says cutters. So I'm just gonna put that in my mouth. I pray to God this board doesn't break. I know heat shrink would be the best here, but you know what? No. I'm drooling all over these dirty hands. This is not good for my hygiene. Yummy. Really tasty grease. Maybe I should at least wipe them off before I put it in my mouth. That's what she said. At least you got a nice sunset, you know? Alright. Let's check that out, see what that does. I'm gonna have to fasten that up there, but first I just wanna see if that works. Where'd you go? There you are. Okay. You know what? We'll just look together. There'll be no grand finale. Please, Terry. Oh, sweet. That's what I'm talking about. Heck yeah, dude. There we go. That's better. You can't really see it. Hold on. There we go. Those top ones. Right there.